The world is becoming increasingly digitized. Production is getting smarter, and big data is being used to drive efficiency, increase quality, reduce cost, and ensure product safety. As part of this movement, the use of multivariate production models running in real time is revolutionizing the pharma and biotech sector, while propagating quickly into the rest of the fast-moving consumer goods industries. These trends are at the core of concepts such as Industry 4.0 and the Industrial Internet of Things. Today, the use of process analytical technology, or PAT, is providing a holistic working structure in order to realize this revolution in process manufacturing. The SynTQ PAT enabling platform from Optimal is established as the clear market leader for realizing a PAT working structure, delivering stunning results in each new application. SynTQ receives live data from advanced sensors and third-party data sources such as control systems, historians, MES systems, and LIMS, and uses it in real time. This allows complex processes with many variables to be controlled accurately by comparing live data with a multivariate model, because life is multivariate, not univariate. The use of SynTQ is driving the changeover from batch production to continuous manufacturing and real-time release of manufactured drugs in the pharmaceutical industry, while also ensuring full regulatory compliance. The results are stunning. We are reducing the time from development to production dramatically by transferring working models seamlessly from development lab environments to production-scale machinery. The industry is reducing production time and costs by an order of magnitude while continuously improving product attribute quality and consistency. Using SynTQ as a common global process platform is enabling working groups from around the world to create and productionize new drugs and FMCG products in a fraction of the time previously taken. FMCG companies are not constrained by the same regulatory compliance as the pharma industry, and so can react immediately to learning delivered from a PAT system, making larger changes and improvements extremely quickly, both in production and down the line, achieving true end-to-end supply chain synchronization. PAT, used in volume production environments, is also reducing waste and rework to zero by allowing precise, real-time process management based on product quality. Manual procedures, such as batch and sample testing, which can be slow and costly, are being phased out. From a practical point of view, each live instance of SynTQ operates simultaneously in multiple languages across the globe. This allows development and production teams to work together to achieve synchronous goals, independent of their location. Integration, commissioning, development, and general technical support for SynTQ is available worldwide. Product support can be provided 24/7, 365 days a year, both over the phone and online. Global rollout can bring companies together, working more efficiently, and including suppliers in your operating model. Bringing reliable quality data in with product from your suppliers in a holistic model reduces goods being held in testing and promotes a more efficient and streamlined production model while ensuring product quality and safety. Join the revolution.